Okay guys, so in this class I'm going to teach you how to animate camera angle and camera movement. Somebody make a request that I should teach this topic, so that's why I'm making this video, just to teach the thing. Okay, so this is my character in the Moho is animation software I'm using for laptop, but if you are using any other software you can just follow along. Okay, just learn the basic things I'm going to do. First of all, you have to add a background, so click on this thing now, then add a vector layer. I'll call it background. Okay, I'll call it background. So this background, now I'm going to use this draw shape and draw something like this. Okay, but then you have to do layer ordering. You have to move this background behind the Rico character file, you see. So now what color do I want to paint this thing now? So I want to paint this something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, so this is the color I want to maybe I'll make it a little bit shining. Okay, so this is the color I want to paint my Rico. So the first camera that we'll discuss is what? This first camera is the long shot. So how do you achieve long shot? These are the camera to see. Camera, we have the track camera, we have the zoom camera, we have the roll camera, we have the pan or tilt. So you can do pan or tilt now. Okay, you see what you see the effect. So if you do pan or tilt, you have something like this. Okay, so if you have something like this, then let's say now you can as well as increase the length of your background. So see, something like this. Okay, let me increase the size of this my background to make it bigger. So something like this. Then now let me now use camera to do the 12. You see, so if you do 12, you have something like this as your tilt, but that is not what we are going to be doing. I'll reset it. So first of all, the number one camera is the track. So with tracking, you can track the character, make it to be in the center. Okay, so let's say now I finish doing something like this, then I can click on file and I can do what? So if I want, I'll click on preview. Okay, then I'll save this thing as a what? As a PNG. Okay, I'll save it as a PNG. So this is the number one. Okay, so this particular pose now is a long shot. Okay, long camera shot. So this is long shot. Okay, then in long shot they show all the body. Okay, then another shot, what is the medium? So for you to achieve the medium, you have to zoom in to the character. So medium is like you zoom in, then use your tracking to do half. Only half of the character will show. You see there is a box here. So this is the box is your camera. So if you go to show output and activate show output, you will only be seeing only the thing inside this box. So this is what. So this particular camera now is what is this is the medium shot. Okay, so this is the medium shot. So I'm going to preview the thing. I will save it as what? I will save it as medium shot. So this is the medium, okay, shot. Okay, the medium camera shot. Okay, alright, so now let us do another one again. So if you continue to zoom in to the face, so this one now, then use your track camera to. So this is the one that will show the head to the shoulder is what is the close-up shot. So this is the what? So this is the close-up shot. So I'm going to preview it again. Close-up shot shows the character to the shoulder. So I'm going to save the thing. I'll call it close-up shot. Okay, close-up shot. Okay, then if you now zoom into the head direct, go, you zoom into the eyes, go, like this. So this one is what? This one represents the extreme close-up shot. Okay, so this is the extreme close-up shot. Okay, so this is the extreme close-up shot. Okay, but then Another one is okay, so let me do another one. So this is the first one is establishing shot. Establishing shot will show the houses. Okay, now let's say I will draw a simple house here. I will draw a simple house. Maybe I will draw a simple house here. Maybe I'll select these two. I'll just transform key and then make it short, and also make this one short. So like I'm just creating a simple house name so that it will look like a road. Then this is the house, right? Then this one now paint it something like this. You see how I created a house here, so move it to here. So this one I did now, establishing shot, showing the environment, showing everything. So this represents establishing shot. Okay, it shows the character and everything, the background. So this is for you to start animation. This is the first one that you need to do. So use your establishing shot to start your animations. Okay, I will name it establishing shot. Establishing. The one last one that we need to do is, you see this roll camera. So this roll camera is used to achieve a dodge. Okay, it used to achieve a dodge shot. So when I mean a dodge shot, I mean like rotating the camera. I can also zoom in. Okay, so I can zoom in with these two. So if you zoom in, then you can track your camera. So this roll camera gives you the option to do the dodge. So you can or do it upside down or do it like this. So this is the dodge shot. So if you finish, you can as well as export this one as well. See, so this will give you the dodge shot. So look at it here, the dodge. Okay, so this is the dodge. So this correct spelling for dodge is dodge. See it here, or tilt. You can also call it tilt camera movement. So tilt means you rotate the thing. Okay, camera shots. So guys, we have done 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So this tall shots. So we have 6. There are more. Okay, there are more shots. Okay, to learn. And if you want to learn the other camera angles, I have an animation class where I teach my students how to animate and create characters, you know, and animate take their characters and camera. So if you want to learn how to animate your character, okay, I'm willing to teach you. So I recommend you join my animation class. Okay, so let me just do a simple animation to end the video. Now let me just do this. First of all, I'll reset my tilt camera and I'll reset everything. Okay, then let me just do a short animation. So I want this character to dance. So we have a match. So you see that my own Moho is a pro version. They are not showing watermark. So if you want to get this Moho Pro software on your laptop, comment I'm interested. I'll send it to you. Okay, yes. All right, so very soon now the video will finish exporting. Let us wait for it. Guys, you see how our Rico is moving very smooth. He's doing like Michael Jackson. So guys, if you want to learn how to create this character from scratch, because you know that this character now, I created this character and I added bone to it. So if you want to learn how to create Rico character and how to add bone, I recommend you join my animation class. In my animation class, I'm going to teach you how to create your own characters, how to add bone to it, and how to animate it smoothly. Okay, so use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me. You can learn animation on your phone or on your laptop, and anyone you are willing to learn 2D or 3D, I'm going to teach you. Okay, guide you step by step until you become professional animator. All right guys, please, thank you for watching. Please like this video, please. Okay, like this video and share this video. Okay, thank you. I will see you next week with my. If you want to keep learning about Rico animation, I have done over 50 Rico animation tutorial. Use the link in the description to check the free tutorials I'm talking about. I'll see you on my next video.